Ownership at Kota Keluarga will mean easy access to the best of San Juan Batangas' biggest destination. The grand plan is to bring the residential structures close to the bounties of nature. A place blessed with wide sandy beaches, lush green hills, and verdant acres of land for the community to share and enjoy. Located at La Ibabaw, San Juan, Batangas, traveling from Manila will only take approximately 2 hours and 55 minutes. Kota Keluarga is a 380-hectare eco-prime development in the exclusive part of La Ibabaw. AGL Primo has the flexibility to customize your home to suit you and your family's needs. The focus is creating a self-contained residential and commercial development project with numerous amenities and activities for the communities to enjoy. Breathe and meditate close to nature. Experience outdoor activities and water sports at a leisure waterfront enclave with a first-rate beach club. Enjoy the community and live close to the bounties of nature. Imagine the possibilities. This is your opportunity to be among the first to own a piece of San Juan's premier destination. Kota Keluarga. Live here.